Hello friends. What are the essential components of a good trading system? First, a precise entry point for trades. Second, an appropriate stop-loss level based on risk-reward. Third, a proper target level based on risk-reward. A simple trading system should ideally have these three key elements. In this video, we'll discuss a trading indicator that fulfills all these requirements for any trade. Let's dive into it and learn about this indicator called Labs Super Algo Indicator. This is an excellent tool designed to enhance your trading strategies and decision-making process. It's a powerful indicator that generates real-time trading signals, giving you essential entry and exit points for trades. Let's explore this indicator in detail, whose name is Labs Super Algo Indicator. This is our Labs Super Algo Indicator. Now, let's see how to use this indicator for trading. As you can see, we have a trade on the chart. And we can see two tables on the chart displaying some data. Let's start by understanding this trade. Beneath this candle, you'll see a buy signal. You take the entry at the close value of that candle. Option traders can buy a call option here. The entry level is displayed in the blue label. Because this is a buy trade, buy entry is written in the label. Just below the entry level, a red label shows the stop loss value. We can place our stop loss here. Above the entry, three target levels are marked in green labels. You can square off trades based on these target levels. If you are trading with more than one quantity or lot, then you can square off a few quantities or lots at the first target level. And here you can trail the stop loss and try to catch the whole rally. You can square off a few quantities or lots at the second target level. And you can square off the remaining quantities or lots at the third and last target level. By doing such partial profit booking, the overall chances of a trader being profitable increase. So we saw a complete buy trade, including entry, stop loss, and target levels. The same data is presented more clearly in the price signal table, showing entry, stop loss, and three target levels. In this table we not only see the entry, stop loss and target levels, but also, we see the distance between the entry point and all the other levels, helping traders evaluate risk and reward. Let's understand this using an example. Here, the entry level is 76,780.47, and the stop loss level is 76,682.46, so, the distance between these two levels is of 98 points. Similarly, the distance between the entry level and the first target level is of 196 points. The distance between the entry level and the second target level is of 294 points. The distance between the entry level and the third target level is of 392 points. This makes it easy for traders to understand their risk and reward in the trade. Okay. Now, let's look at a short trade setup. The trade starts at a candle marked with a sell signal. Entry is at the close value of this candle and is displayed in the blue colored label. A red label above the entry level shows the stop loss value. We can place our stop loss there. And the three target levels are marked in green labels. Like in the buy trade, you can square off your trades at each target level or trail your stop loss to catch the full rally. If you are trading with more than one quantity or lot, then you can square off a few quantities or lots at the first target level. And here you can trail the stop loss and try to catch the whole rally. You can square off a few quantities or lots at the second target level. And you can square off the remaining quantities or lots at the third and last target level. So here we saw a complete short trade setup with entry, stop loss and target levels. The same data is also presented in the price signal table, showing all levels and the distances from the entry point. Okay. Now let's see another table. This is our multi-time frame signal status table. See this trade here, and this price signal table shows us the data of that trade, which is present on the current chart of the stock that is in front of us right now. For example, we are on the 5-minute chart of Nifty right now, so this table shows us the data of the latest trade that is happening on this 5-minute chart. But this multi-time frame signal status table shows us which trades are happening on the various other time frames of Nifty, without even opening those charts. For example, as of now, there is a sell signal on the 15 minutes chart. There is a sell on the weekly chart as well. So just by looking at this table, a trader can immediately know the overall trade conditions on various time frames of this particular stock or index. The specialty of this indicator is that you can use this indicator on any stock, index, forex, crypto, commodities, etc. And that too on any time frame. Those traders who are going to use this indicator for options trading must remember that, whichever entry value is displayed here, you must always select the nearest at the money strike price for the trade. For example, right now the entry here is 23,359.15. So, a trader must choose the at the money strike price, which could be 23,350. Okay. So as of now, we have seen various features of this indicator. Now let's take a look at the input panel of this indicator. For that, click this settings icon. First, you will see the inputs of the price signal table. Price signal table means this table. You can turn the table on or off using this checkbox. From here, you can adjust the position of the table on the chart. You can place the table at the top, bottom, right, left, anywhere you want. From here, you can adjust the size of the table. From here, you can adjust the background color and text color of the entry, stop loss and target boxes. Then here below, you will see the inputs of the time frame table. Time frame table means this table. You can turn the table on or off using this checkbox. From here, you can adjust the position of the table on the chart. From here, you can adjust the size of the table. From here, you can modify the time frames that are displayed in the table. For example, right now the 5 minutes time frame is selected here. So you can modify this time frame and make it of 1 minute if you want. Near each time frame you will see a checkbox. You can turn off some time frames in the table using these checkboxes. From here, you can adjust the background and text colors of the time frame and signal boxes in the table. Here below, you can see some technical inputs of this indicator. You may modify them if you want. These are some more technical inputs. You may modify them if you want. From here, you can adjust where the entry and stop loss levels will be placed on a candle. For example, if you choose the high-low option, then, for a buy trade, the entry level will be at the high point of a candle, and the stop loss level will be at the low point of the candle. For sell trade, the positions will be exact opposite. The entry level will be at the low point of a candle, and the stop loss level will be at the high point of the candle. Similarly, if you choose the high-low close option, then, for a buy trade, the entry level will be at the close point of a candle, and the stop loss level will be at the low point of the candle. For a sell trade, the entry level will be at the close point of a candle, and the stop loss level will be at the high point of the candle. You can turn on or off these labels using this Show Labels option. From here, you can adjust the size of the labels. From here, you can adjust the distance of the target levels from the entry point. As per your risk reward, you can adjust the target levels by modifying these factors. And finally, from here, you can modify the line color, line width and line style of the entry, stop loss and target levels. Okay. So till now, we have seen the information about the Labs Super Algo indicator that gives us the trade information of the current trade on the chart, upon which we have added this indicator. Now we will see another fantastic indicator, which in fact is a screener. The name of this screener is Labs Super Algo Screener. What this screener basically does is, it scans various scripts and identifies which scripts have a buy signal, and which have a sell signal on them. The criteria for finding the buy and sell signals is same as that of the Labs Super Algo indicator. Let's see this screener and know more about it. so we have placed our screener on the chart. Just by looking at this screener we can know that, according to the lab's super algo indicator, which scripts have the buy signal and which scripts have the sell signal. Now, let's take a look at the input panel of this screener. For that, click this settings icon. You can turn on and off this table using this checkbox. From here, you can choose your favorite scripts that will be shown in the screener. A script could be a stock, an index, a forex, crypto, commodity, etc. There is a checkbox ahead of each script. You can turn off the scripts from the table using these checkboxes if you want. From here, you can adjust the background color, text color, table size, the position of the table on the chart, etc. Here we have some technical inputs. These same inputs were present in the lab's super algo indicator as well. You may modify them if you want. Okay. So in this video we saw an amazing indicator called Lab's Super Algo Indicator, and we saw a fantastic screener called Lab's Super Algo Screener. An important point to be noted is that these indicators can be used on computers as well as smartphones. If you want to use these indicators then, please contact on the contact details that are shown on the screen right now. Thank you.